There exists a substance with extraordinary properties, a substance that enhanced the beauty of Greek goddesses. Since the dawn of time, the bee and honey have fascinated royal dynasties. For the pharaohs, the bee represented the soul. For Napoleon, it symbolized immortality. The bee is the cornerstone of nature's flora and has maintained the balance of nature since time immemorial. A man, Pierre-François Pascal Guerlain, was fascinated by this great alchemist of nature. He made the bee his emblem and sought to unravel its mysteries, thus forever linking the destiny of Guerlain to the bee. From the past to the present, in its quest to offer women beauty, Guerlain has pursued its research into the power of bee products. 150 years later, this research has taken on a new dimension. Clinical experiments show that the bee products are one of the world's most effective natural healing substances. Micro tears in skin tissue cause wrinkles and loss of firmness.
There is an analogy between the healing process and the mechanisms involved in repairing the micro tears that cause wrinkles and the loss of firmness. The healing power of bee products therefore has a remarkable anti-aging effect.
But man cannot replicate this astonishing alchemy that comes from bee products.
The active elements that give bee products all their effectiveness are dependent on the genetic makeup of the bee, biodiversity and the purity of the environment.
Throughout the world, Guerlain continues in its quest to find the rarest forms of royal jelly and honey, selecting the most active molecules, like in Wesson, an unspotted island where a 1,000-year-old species thrives, the black bee. The quest comes to an end. Guerlain creates a unique blend with exceptional repairing powers, the pure royal concentrate. Its components promote the key mechanisms of the healing process. From the very first drops, wrinkles fill out, the skin tautens and regains its full firmness. Abeille Royale. Youth Serum, Firming Lift Wrinkle Correction. The exceptional repairing power of the product of bees.